Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to join Fisch Discord server. So it's really simple. First, you want to open your Discord, and then over here, in case you are in any server, you may have to scroll down a bit until you see this green plus which says add a server over here. So click on it, and then over here, just ignore all this and click join a server under where it says have an invite already. So click join a server, and in here what you want to do is type in the exact link I'm going to show you, discord.gg slash and then just fish, basically Fisch. Okay, so that's literally it. Then what you have to do is press join server, and in a second over here, as you can see, you have successfully joined the Fisch server. Now in here, to get started, you will have to basically read the rules and then agree and answer some questions. So in here you want to click view new content, come in the Fisch, and then in here you will first have to then verify. So as you can see, you still aren't able to do anything in here. Basically it says you must verify your identity by your phone. You can send messages in this server whenever you try to do it. So click on verification, and in here you have to basically verify through Robber. Just click on it and click verify by phone and go through the procedure, and that's basically it. So that's how to join Fisch Discord server on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.